Hello, tradeologists. Well, today we opened up with a very much higher market. It's July 30th. We're day 3 into our gamma scalping trades. And since we were slightly long delta at the open here, we have a profit of about $1,700. Let's see, I'll show you AVP. AVP closed yesterday at about 37.50, and it opened today at 43. So it's up almost $5. Tremendous, absolutely tremendous run here. So now we have kind of a dilemma here, because what we can do is we can either kind of take our profits up in here, a couple $1,000s on this trade, or we can kind of wait, maybe even sell some additional shares short in case it falls back in down to capture our profit. So we have kind of a dilemma here. It's a good dilemma. We're up now we're up $2,100 on the trade. So I have some decision making to do here. We're long 386 deltas. I can sell another 380 shares short to lock in these profits, or we can let this run. I'm going to do a little bit of analysis, a little thinking on this, and I'll do an update for you as the day progresses. Well, at this point, I guess I decided to take my profits, and we've got a couple $1,000s of profit in here, $2,300 right now. But actually, because of the put actually is only worth 2 cents. We can leave those open, and if the market does trade down again, we should be able to get some additional profits from that. I'm just kind of watching the charts here, because it continues to move up. So the more it moves up, the more money I make. So I'll just kind of keep an eye on that for a little while. Boy, it's really on a tear here, but I have to kind of think about how long that's actually going to last. So I'm going to go ahead and put my sell order in here. I mean, this is a huge run up. It's hard for me to believe that that's going to continue, and there's plenty of opportunities out there for gamma scalping. So I just want to try to. Looks like it's slowing down. I'm going to put my orders in. Yeah, looks like we got. As far as the trade itself goes, I mean, it was a very successful trade. $2,400 in profits on that, and we have it 3 days, and that's with taking totally neutral position, because we bought both the calls and the puts, and so now I've got basically a free put here in case it trades back down. I might be able to get a little bit more money out of that. But it was a very successful trade. Let's take a look at Adobe, ADBE, and looks like we're down a little bit on Adobe today. So I think what we'll do is we'll just kind of take a look at this. Yeah, we're down a little bit. It's not really moving too much. I'd like to see Adobe move a little bit more. Hopefully it does. Stock's at 41.05 right now. We're still in a fairly delta neutral position, and I'm going to be looking for some additional candidates here for another gamma trading situation, because we still have 16 days left in the August expiration, so there's plenty of opportunities out there. So I'm going to be scrolling through my list, my watch list, and I have a couple other lists here that I can use, that I showed you yesterday, that we can use to identify some additional gamma scalping opportunities. But so far, 3 days into the trade, we made a $2,400 profit. I'm happy with that. So I'll update you during the day as we continue. If I find additional candidates for gamma scalping, I will certainly let you know in these updates. So stay tuned.